Today was the day. Finally, we got to take the pram out for a walk. We had to work with Spidgy a little bit in the beginning because she was absolutely terrified of the pram. So it took a lot of sunflower seeds to get her to this point, but we're here. We're here at this point, and we're finally going to do a little walk, just a little one, up and down the street and see how she goes with that because she's doing so well now in the pram. I don't know who she was talking to, but she was talking up a storm even before we left. She obviously liked it. When she's stimulated and she likes something and she's excited, she starts to talk a lot. And boy, did she talk a lot during this little walk. Hello. Now, she was a little bit wobbly, but she will definitely get the hang of it the more that we do this. She'll find her balance. Hi, baby. Did you have fun? You did. I know you did. Yes, you did. Say thank you for my pram. Yeah? Ready? You ready? Come on. Good girl.
G'day. Say hi to your pets for